good times. So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking
I said don't blow my high, I'm on that carpet ride. I've been swerving, I'm a servant to my magic side. I was in a magic city, going 50-50. I bet it all up on that red and they got real shifty. Pity, pity, it's a petty crime. You see how people change their vibe when it's green up on their mind. Kevin fed a line, but fuck if I know. I'm searching for them high notes. I'm slipping in my slippers, playing samples off this vinyl. Getting better every motherfucking session with my freshness. This is imperfection, with a touch of perfect. No, I fucking murked it at the merchants and I purchased what my curses in between these verses. How I really feel.
So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking about good times. So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I know it's not always easy. Time slows, still trying to find the reason to hold on to those dreams of mine. Where does purpose lie?
Hey, hey, I said don't blow my high, I'm on that carpet ride. Can you keep me high? Like to see you try, try, try.
I've been thinking about good times.
Yeah, yeah.
So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try.
Can you try?
For the sake of time,
Just
give me the eye. I've been thinking about good times. So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye.
Alright guys, so we made it to the Lincoln Center and this is where my brother's graduating and I'm so excited. My man and my mom and dad, they're in the bathroom. Well, my mom and Alicia's in the bathroom. My dad, I don't know where he went. But we're just sitting here holding the seats and it's such a pretty day outside and I'm just happy to be here in New York. You having fun?
Yeah, it's alright, it's straight.
People drive crazy, but it's a lot of fun. We also got box water, and I've never had it, but it's like so aesthetic.
It tastes like cardboard.
It tastes like cardboard. But I'm gonna try it right now. But I'm not gonna show y'all because that's kind of weird to try some water. So. Woo! Go Robert!
Repetition and revision is a concept integral to the jazz aesthetic.
Robert J.D. Mason.
Woo!
Terrence Martine Matthews. Brittany Amanda Narcisse Rivera. Blake Russell.
Congratulations.
This is the Met Gala. I'm literally, well, not the Met Gala, but where the Met is, and it's like right there. And, oh my gosh, the Met. Y'all wait, I'm manifesting it now. One day, I will be in the Met. I will be at the Met Gala, okay? Alright guys, so I am currently on my way to Starbucks because after my dad, well, my parents went, my family actually, everybody left me because I wanted to get a video of the Met. So, yeah. And it feels so cool to be walking in New York filming. No one is gonna look at me crazy because it's New York and it's just an amazing experience and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that I'm from here. I don't know if you guys knew that, but I was born in New York. My whole family lives here besides me and my parents. But yeah, I'm home, bitches.
Nothing like your smile in the morning. believe. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away, and the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay.
So guys, me and Robert are waiting on the train to come take us to Far Rockaway. So I'm going to go to the beach, and I got on my Icon swimsuit. I'm so happy. It's so hot. It's literally like 90 something degrees, and it's very surprising, but I'm excited.
Easier to love, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless seas, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your teeth.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god.
It's easier to love, oh. It's easier to love, oh. Easier to
Just gotta stand.
easier to love.
Hey guys, so I thought I would just come on here and talk to you because I haven't talked to you at all today. We are currently at the rental car place returning the car, and then we're on our way to the airport because it's time to go home. I had a lot of fun here in New York, but I am ready to go home because I'm just tired of all the traffic, and I miss Cam, I miss my friends, and I'm ready to have some fun with my people that I love. And it was good seeing my family and stuff like that. Like, that was probably the highlight of my trip because I haven't seen them in literally years. Like, the last time we all basically came together was 7 years ago. My grandma passed, but not even everybody was there. So yeah, it was really good to see most of my family and stuff like that. But it's currently 7:28 and our flight is at 10, so we made it with good time. We still have to go, we have to like take a shuttle to the airport from the rental car place, and then we have to like check our bags and stuff like that, and then we'll just be waiting. Hopefully we have a lot more time today because I kind of want another Starbucks, because when we got here, on the flight here, we almost missed the flight to New York from Charlotte because I was at Starbucks, y'all, and like we literally made it by the skin of our teeth. I got there and they were like, last call, gates are closing, blah blah blah, and I was like, oh my goodness. And I had to like run. I had to leave one of my drinks, so I messed out, basically wasted my money, and I was so sad because I spent $34 and my dad did not pay me back, but it's okay. But today when I get home, I'm getting a tattoo. I don't think I'm gonna take you guys with me just because I'm tired, but if I do, then it'll be with Cam. but I'm not really sure because I don't feel like filming that much. But my skin looks so good, so maybe I'll make an exception for today since we're getting tattoos. So I'll let him know about that because I've been having so much fun filming and it's just amazing, and I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the plane at the airport or something. See you guys later. Alright guys, so I'm on the hunt for Dunkin' Donuts because I can't find a Starbucks, even though I know there's a Starbucks here. I just don't know where it's at. But I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts because I saw Dunkin' Donuts. I just have to find it. So I have like the airport GPS on my phone to take me there. And hopefully, oh, it's right here. Okay, yeah, I know where I'm at now. It's 9:10. The plane leaves at 9:59 apparently, probably like 10 something, but I gotta be there at like 9:40. I want to be there at 9:40, 9:30. It shouldn't even take that long to get the coffee, so I hope it doesn't. And guys, I don't know if I said this before, but it's like so easy to vlog here. So easy, even though it's the airport and there's like people everywhere from everywhere. Still, nobody's gonna say anything because like, how would they? Alright guys, so I didn't take you with me. There's Cam over there, if you can see him. I didn't take you inside with me, but I did get a few clips on my phone, so you obviously saw that before. But here's my tattoo. Your girl got another one. It's so cute and I'm obsessed with it. But right now we're about to go to Cam's house, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video here because I'm not gonna do anything else. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed my travel vlogs, and if you're new, I hope you subscribed and you like me and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.